Hello, hello! Today we're going to discuss how to take any sort of assignment you have in Google Classroom and turn it in. So, if this is my assignment that I need to turn in, and it is up here in my Google Docs, this means your teacher made a copy of the worksheet for you, and you're able to modify it. So I'm going to open that up. Notice how it says my name up here. It's already assigned to me, and I'm going to fill this question out. So what happens when I do all this? They were easy because I'm the best. All right. So if I'm done with my assignment now and the bell's ringing, I got to turn it in, there's a cute little turn in button right here. You just click turn in and then you're done. That's all you really have to do, turn in. But now let's say your teacher looks at it and says, oh, you didn't do something right, and you go back into your assignment and you want to make some changes, and you want to click right here and you want to type the answer. You can't type anything. It doesn't let you do anything because once you turn it in, it's view only. So what you have to do is you have to unsubmit. So once you unsubmit your work, it takes it back from being turned in. Now you can go back into your work, and now you can type your answer here. So the answer is it moves. All right, turn back in again. I can turn in here, or I can turn in up here. Either way gets it done. And now my assignment's finished. Thank you so much.